Alright guys, I promised you the reveal of Blizzard Bluff, the snow tubing hill at Kentucky themed water park for Christmas here. You guys ready? 3, 2, there we go. Look at that. Yeah. This is the night edition. Look at that. The only one in Kentucky, the 175-foot snow tubing slide here. With real snow. And then there's the kid one right there next door to it.
It's a floating head.
But it's Mount Flurry.
It's a floating head.
But
Camouflage.
here's Blizzard Bluff, night edition. Let's go.